Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get Roblox completely free. It is a little bit iffy. This is only if you get donated, I guess. So there's a bunch of games where you can get donated. There's Sing It, there's the drawing one where somebody can donate when you're drawing. But again, it's very iffy because it doesn't work 100% all the time. But that is pretty much it, really. You're just going to play those games and hope for somebody to donate. It's actually not that difficult to find one. My friend has gotten donated before on Roblox before, and I said before twice. And basically, you're just going to make sure this is available on your Game Pass. I've donated before as well. I haven't donated a lot, but I have donated on this game. So yeah, should I sing for you guys? Okay, I don't know this song, so I'm not going to. But that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.